Hi everyone, this is Alex from FinTalk with Alex YouTube channel. Today I will show you how you apply for unemployment insurance. I'm receiving many questions about how to apply unemployment insurance and also how to apply the weekly unemployment claims every week. So this is the Virginia website. I'm just using Virginia state as a sample how to apply unemployment insurance. So I will just use Virginia as an example. So once you go to their website, it's vec.virginia.gov, vec.virginia.gov. Once you get there, so as you can see here, we have many options here, and what I will show you now is how to file unemployment insurance. So as you can see, filing your initial claim. So there are two options, English and Spanish. So there is also an option to file by phone, as you can see here. 866-832-2363 is to apply your unemployment insurance by phone. But what I will show you now is how to apply your initial claim for unemployment insurance. So I just pressed English, and you will go to the next page. On this page you have many options. You have a tab for job seekers. You have a tab to apply initial unemployment insurance, and also you have a page for employers, and the last one is to file your weekly claim for unemployment insurance payments. So first, let me just go to the second one, which is unemployed initial claim. Then when you go to that page, as you can see here, there are many options to read. So the next, I will just press next to go to the next page. As you can see here, you have like at least 5 steps to complete the unemployment insurance application: eligibility, registration, work history, certification, and complete. So we are on the eligibility page now. So the first thing you need to do is to enter your social security and confirm. So I will just use just a random social security number 123. Then we'll go from there. So once you enter your social security, then it will take you to the next screen. So work history verification. The question, as you can see here, is: have you worked since 4/1/2019? If you worked since April 1, 2019, then you have to press yes. So if you didn't work, then press no and go to the next one. On the next page, as you can see, it's asking you: have you worked in 2 or more states since April 1, 2019? If you worked in 2 states, yes. Otherwise, you have to press no. Then, have you claimed unemployment insurance benefit within the last 12 months? Because if you already received unemployment insurance in the last 12 months, you probably will not be qualified for unemployment insurance. That's why it's very important to answer this question as yes or no. Then next, have you worked or earned wages paid by the United States government as a federal civilian employee? Then you have to press no. And then the last question is about military service. Were any of your wages earned in the military since April 1st, 2019? Then no. Then next. Then as you can see here, you completed the first step, which is eligibility. That's why that green check mark was checked there. Then the next one is registration. Once you finish the eligibility steps, then you have to create user ID and password, and you have to confirm your password, and then you need to enter security questions if in case you forget your password in the future. Then you have to enter your email, primary email address, and confirm the primary email address. This is the email that will be used if you are receiving any confirmation or any other communication from Virginia state. Then you have to enter date of birth and gender, female or male. Then the last step is to enter the code. Once you filled all this information, that means you completed the registration step. Then you can go to the next step by just pressing next. So I'm just saying all red here because I didn't enter any information here, but I just want to show you the next step here, work history. In this step on the next screen, you will be required to enter all your work related information, the company you have been working, the dates, and the amount of income that you have been receiving weekly or bi-weekly or monthly, because they just want to make sure how much money you were earning while you were working. So because your unemployment insurance, the weekly unemployment insurance, will be determined by your level of income. So that's why it's very important to complete that process. Then the next one is certification. You have to certify all the information, and the last step, as you can see on the flow on the flow chart here, is complete. Once you finish all this step, then you will be receiving a confirmation using that email that you provided here. And this is how you apply the initial claim for unemployment insurance. So the next one, the next step, what I will show you is how to apply the weekly claim and how to report that, because they just want to make sure you are still looking for a job. So that's why you need to make sure to apply every week so that you will be receiving unemployment insurance every week. So let me just show you the next one on the next step. Alright, so on this page, what I will show you next is how to apply the weekly claims for unemployment insurance. So at this point, you already applied for unemployment insurance, but you always need to make sure to apply weekly to make sure you are receiving unemployment insurance every week. So as you can see, the first one is file your initial claim, what we just completed, and the next one is file your weekly continued claim by internet, because you already have an option to claim the weekly claims by phone too. What I will show you is how to apply the weekly claims. So I will just press English, and then it will take you to the next screen. Then the last one, as you can see here, is file your weekly claims for unemployment insurance payments, because we already completed the first step to apply the initial claim. Now we are considering the second one. Okay, as you can see here, you have to use your username and password you already created to apply the weekly unemployment insurance claims. So once you get in there, you need to make sure that you are looking for a job, and there are questions, yes or no questions, asking you if you are still looking for a job, and if you didn't start working, or if you are receiving any income. So because they just want to make sure that you are available to go back to work, or they just want to make sure you are not receiving any additional income, so that they will pay you unemployment insurance every week. So this is very important. This is one of the required process to be done every week, so that you will be receiving unemployment insurance every week. So once you completed this, then you will start getting unemployment insurance every week. Alright, so this is all I have today. Thank you guys. I hope this information will be helpful for many. This is Alex from FinTalk with Alex YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.